Hello and welcome everyone. Earth Day is just around the corner, so this is the project that I am making today. It's quite simple and fun to make, so stick with me and I will show you how I made it. For the first step, I've got a coffee filter and my watercolor paints and brush and water. I'm just going to paint the coffee filter with greens and blues to make the earth. I'm not using a specific map pattern for this. It can be however you want to paint the green and the blue on there. Once that's done, just leave it aside to dry. For this next step, I am using white copy paper. You can get your loved one to put their hands down onto the white copy paper, and then using a pen or a pencil, trace around their hands for them. Some people are capable of doing this for themselves, but I do like the teamwork aspect to it if you get them to put both of their hands on the paper at the same time. And the reason for this is because being up close and in their space, and then also the accompanying tactile element of the pen or pencil going around their fingers engages the somatosensory neurons and also gives a feeling of closeness. And so for somebody who may be losing their ability to communicate verbally or losing some of their vision, having that closeness can be a very important thing for them because that's what's taking over for them in their ability to communicate. As some senses decrease, you'll find that other senses start to increase. And so often it is physical touch that increases for people with dementia. After you're done tracing the hand shapes, you can go ahead and color them in. So I've got a box of crayons for this. It's a new product by Crayola. This is not a sponsored ad by any means. I'm just so happy that they have finally put out a set of crayons and markers and pencil crayons as well that have different flesh tones to it. For many of my clients, this is something that I think they have been waiting for their entire lives, and I think that it's awesome. So if you're intrigued by it, go ahead and pick up a set for yourselves. And then once done coloring, you can cut out the hands. Once your hands are cut out, you can place them on top of your dried coffee filter. I'm placing them with the thumbs and the forefingers touching to make a little heart shape. And then with a piece of scrap paper, I'm drawing and coloring in a heart and cutting that out, and then I'm going to glue that in between the fingers. And there you go, my Earth Day art project. I hope that you enjoyed that, and if you did, just do me a favor and hit that like button. That would mean so much to me. I hope you get a chance to make this with your loved one, and until the next video, take care and bye-bye.